I'm Kathy.
I'm Jim.
And we are standing in front of our house, which is known as the Wedding Cake House in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. This is a grand Victorian. It was built for Alan R. Morash. He was the second mayor of Lunenburg. He was also very wealthy. He wanted this house to really stand out and be over the top. It was built circa 1885. It has been referred to the Wedding Cake House because the layered architecture around the facade. A lot of bumps in the house, dormers. There's the five-sided
Scottish dormer.
The five-sided Scottish dormer at the top of the house. When we bought it, it was a pale green. It actually looked a little bit spooky. We decided to paint the house pink.
So I picked the pink color. Someone advised me that I could refer to the color as dead salmon. And so that's what I do. And it sounds very manly. I like that.
When you enter the house, you find yourself in a grand foyer, and it's quite massive. On either side of the foyer is the parlor on the one side and the living room on the other side.
Bought it in 1993.
But we actually used it as a summer residence for most of that time. And 2 years ago, we decided to sell our home in Ontario and take the plunge and move here.
I said to her, "You'll never, ever fill this house with furniture." And she said, "Watch me." So.
And then the quest began. I just collected over the years, and we had a trailer. We would fill it up with furniture every year. And also when we were here
It
in
looked
the
like
summer,
the grapes of wrath. This trailer would just be heaped up with pseudo-antiques. It was something else.
So really it was a labor of love going in and then just decorating it to our taste. This is the living room, and for us it's where we spend a lot of our time. This is where we entertain. We have a lot of seating in this room, rocking chairs, a couple of sofas. We do spend a lot of time here.
Where we live is designated UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Very often we'll see the tours from this room. The buses pull up over in front of the academy where the tour guide tells them about the house, its history, its architecture, and so forth. This is very historic, and it was one of the original features in the house. We absolutely love it.
The moldings are amazing, and I just wonder how they did that. No electricity, and yet how they managed to build this.
This is the second floor, and on this floor we have 4 bedrooms, which is great because we do have so many family and friends in Ontario, and we do welcome groups to come and visit us. And this is my favorite room. I love the colors, the pinks and the greens. They're very soft and I guess quite feminine as well.
I love walking through the house. She did a great job of decorating.
This house really was a dream, is a dream.
You know, I love this house, but I love being in Lunenburg.
We just feel so thrilled and so grateful, really, that we came upon this house.